Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying your license and safety net. Sign into the Microsoft account tied to Office or locate the product key. This decides upgrade paths. Backup templates, your Outlook PSD, and any local OneDrive folders to external media. Once done, run Windows Update so system components match modern installers, and create a restore point. Make sure you have about 20% free disk space and a reliable internet connection before proceeding. You now choose the target version, Microsoft 365 for ongoing updates, or Office 2019/2021 standalone, and confirm system requirements. Uninstall or disable known incompatible add-ins and close all Office apps so the installer can replace files cleanly. Run the downloaded installer as administrator. Accept terms, select whether to keep user settings when prompted, and let the process run. Watch for prompts to remove older components. If an installer requests a restart, allow it and then resume the upgrade process. You finish by activating Office. Open any Office app, go to File, Account, and sign in or enter the product key. Verify activation status. Next, force an update from File Account Update options so you have the latest patches, and run Windows Update once more. If something goes wrong, missing features, or errors, use Programs and Features to run Office repair. If needed, uninstall and reinstall, or revert to the restore point you made. This resolves most upgrade failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.